Hello, everyone. Welcome to Smart Start Math. In this video, you'll learn about algebraic expressions. Have you ever heard the word algebraic expression before? What is an algebraic expression? To help you understand, let's think about the four operations we've already learned: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Now, imagine using letters instead of numbers and putting them together with these operations. That's what we call an algebraic expression. Let's see how we can form algebraic expressions using addition. In our example A, we're finding the sum of 5 and 8. You probably remember sum means we're going to add. So let's add 5 and 8 together. That's 5 plus 8 equals 13. Now let's look at example B. This time, we're adding 7 to x. Since add means plus, we write it like this: x plus 7. When we add a letter and a number, we just write them together with a plus sign in between. Let's try one more. What is the sum of y and 9? That's right. We write it as y plus 9. So, from the examples we just did, x plus 7 and y plus 9 are both examples of algebraic expressions that use addition. Let's take a minute to answer this question. Is y plus 9 the same as 9 plus y? Yes, y plus 9 and 9 plus y are the same. Here's why. Think about numbers. 9 plus 1 equals 10, and 1 plus 9 also equals 10. The order doesn't change the result. So just like with numbers, 9 plus y is the same as y plus 9. It means we can add numbers or variables in any order, and the result will stay the same. Now let's see how to form algebraic expressions using subtraction. In example A, we need to find the difference between 8 and 5. Since difference means subtraction, we take 8 minus 5, which gives us 3. So, the answer to example A is 3. Next is example B. We need to subtract 7 from x. That means we write it as x minus 7. Now let's look at example C. We want to subtract 9 from y. So we write it as y minus 9. Based on these examples, x minus 7 and y minus 9 are both examples of algebraic expressions using subtraction. Now, let's take a minute to answer this question. Is y minus 9 the same as 9 minus y? Let's compare it with numbers. 12 minus 9 equals 3. But 9 minus 12 equals negative 3. That shows us the order matters in subtraction. So, y minus 9 is not the same as 9 minus y. Now, in the third part of our video, we're going to learn how to form algebraic expressions using multiplication. Let's start with example A. We need to find the product of 5 and 8. Since product means multiply, we take 5 times 8, which equals 40. Now in example B, we multiply 7 by x. That gives us 7 times x, or simply 7x. In example C, we need to find the product of y and 9. We take y times 9, which we can also write as 9 times y, or 9y. Based on these examples, 7x and 9y are both algebraic expressions formed through multiplication. Now, let's take a minute to answer this question. Is y times 9 the same as 9 times y? Let's think about it using numbers. 9 times 2 equals 18, and 2 times 9 also equals 18. So, just like with numbers, y times 9 is the same as 9 times y. For multiplication, you can multiply in any order and the result stays the same. Now, let's see how to form algebraic expressions using division. In example A, we need to find the quotient of 16 and 8. Since quotient means the answer to a division, we take 16 divided by 8, which equals 2. So, the answer to example A is 2. In example B, we take 7 divided by x. We write this as 7 divided by x, or 7 over x. In example C, we divide y by 9, which we write as y divided by 9, or y over 9. Based on these examples, 7 divided by x and y divided by 9 are both examples of algebraic expressions using division. Now, let's take a minute to think about this question. Is y divided by 9 the same as 9 divided by y? Let's look at an example with numbers. 9 divided by 3 equals 3, but 3 divided by 9 equals 1/3. So, the answers are different. That means y divided by 9 is not the same as 9 divided by y. In division, the order matters, so we have to be careful. Okay, I have 2 bonus questions for you. Let's take a minute to think through each one carefully. Question A. Add 8 to the product of z and 6. First, think about the product of z and 6. That means 6 times z, or simply 6z. Next, we add 8 to it. So the final expression is 6z plus 8. Question B. Divide 7 by the sum of x and 5. First, think about the sum of x and 5. That gives us x plus 5. Now, take 7 divided by this sum. So the expression is 7 over x plus 5, or written as a fraction. 7 divided by x plus 5. Let's sum up what we've learned today. So, what is an algebraic expression? Throughout the lesson, we've learned that an algebraic expression is a combination of constants, which are numbers, variables, which are letters, and mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. That's it for our lesson today. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you'd like to practice more, just head to the comment section and click the link provided. And remember, keep practicing and you'll keep getting better. See you next time.